Hello friends, I'm Shreya. Today in this video I'll show you how to make a Latkan design. First I took a cloth measuring 3 inches by 20 inches. Now I will take another fabric of square shape. Its size is 4.5 inch by 4.5 inch. I will now double fold and sew the previous long cloth. This Latkan design you can use this as on blouse, salwar or lehenga. Now I will continue to sew small folds. I will show you how to make this design in a very simple process so that you don't have any difficulty in making. Now I will take the 4.5 inch cloth, corner-wise fold twice. Now I will cut a little with scissors like this. When the cutting is done, I will open the cloth and cut it along the joint and take it separately. Now I will sew the side of the joint. After sewing, I will cut it little by little so that it is convenient to straighten the cloth. Now straighten the cloth and sew it on 3 sides. Once I will sew the 3 sides, now place the long fabric that we made with the folds and sew. Now our first line is sewn. Cut the cloth from here. I will sew the next line. Now I will sew the third line. Now take a rope and put it in the middle and join the 2 edges. let's get started. Now our Latkan is complete. Hope you like this video. If you like it, please give it a like and comment and let us know how you feel. And please support our channel by subscribing. Thank you very much for watching our entire video.